Good evening, everybody. You're still now coming and becoming online, so I will wait for next 2-3 minutes before I start. But you see, in the meantime, let us recall whatever I discussed last day. Mainly, I was focusing last day on operators, and I told you that there are 3 kinds of operators. You see, I mentioned there, on the basis of number of operands used, there are 3 kinds of operators. And before that, I told about the operator, operand, and expression. If you recall the last day's video and the text that I wrote. See, first of all, I told about operator, operand, and expression. I told that operator is a symbol that defines a data manipulation task. Then operand is the data item itself, or the data container, the variable in which the data is stored. And expression is the representation of data manipulation task in terms of operands and operators. Like if you write b plus 5, here b and 5 are operands, plus is an operator, and this whole b plus 5 is an expression because this is representing a task to add 5 in b. Now, I told on the basis of number of operands used in the expression. For a single expression like b plus 5 is a single unit expression. For a particular operator, इसको यहाँ पर let me write, this is a very important part to say. For a particular operator, let me write in different color. For a particular operator, ये जरूरी है बताना. For a particular operator, on the basis of number of operands used in the expression, the operators are kept in 3 categories. The first is unary operator. I told the operator in which only one operand is used. Like from a common example, from a common use, I gave the example of this negation operator. That in this kind of operator, only one operand is used. Like you write minus b. Here b is the operand and minus is the negation operator. When you write c equal to minus b, that means you are taking the additive inverse of the operand given, of the value contained in the variable. So minus b, this whole is an expression having one operand and one operator. This kind of operator is called unary operator. There are other unary operators. Last day also I told, I will tell you later on about it. And then binary operator. For this category of operators, number of operands used in the expression for a particular operator, for a particular operator. For this category of operators, number of operands used in the expression for a particular operator is exactly 2. And there are number of binary operators used in Java, and there are arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. And then I told about the comparison operator, that in this category of operators used to compare two quantities like greater than, less than, equal to. I told that equal to is mentioned with the help of 2 equal to symbols, then less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. See, in mathematics you use this in different way. Like in mathematics you write less than equal to like this, greater than equal to like this, not equal to like this. But in computers, this is not written like this, but they are written like this: less than equal to, greater than equal to, and double equal to, and not equal to. Then I told about logical operators in the category of binary operators itself. This category of operators are specially available to manipulate Boolean values. Here I told last day also that here I am indicating the names only, and telling or focusing only on this point, that they require only two operands. This is the only thing I have to focus right now. The details of these operators will be available in the discussion in the subsequent sessions, not now. So this logical operators are the 3 and, or, and here not is not a binary operator. This is unary operator. Binary operator is and or only. This is binary. Means two operands are used with these two operators only, with these two operators only, not with not. With a not, only one operand is used. So this is in the category of unary operator. Later you will know about it. And there is one assignment operator. As I told, the equal to sign is used as 2 equal to sign for comparing the quantities. Assignment operator is separate. This category of operators used to set a value in a variable. Like when you write C equal to B, this means value of B is transferred in C. It's not so that B is taking the value of C. This is the convention. Convention tells that the variable to assign is always kept in the left, and what the value is given to assign is kept in the right always. So since B is in the right side, value of B goes in C. Value of B goes in C. Here it is mentioned also. This means that the contents of B is set in C. There are other assignment operators also to be discussed later. So many, things I'm keeping to be discussed later on. And you have to remember that I left somewhere something here right now to be discussed later on. So these pending things will come to elaborate and to discuss in the subsequent sessions. Right now, in the previous class, I told you only about the category of operators on the basis of number of operands used in this. Nothing else I want to discuss. Unary operator means one operand. Binary operator means two operands. Ternary operator means three operand. This is the only aim of mine last day to discuss. Nothing more. So ternary operator is telling this category of operator is used. This category of operators uses exactly three operands, and about which you have no idea in the previous experience. This is totally new for you. So nothing about this right now I want to discuss. This is only thing to know that there is some ternary operator. There is some specific operator termed as ternary operator in which three operands are used. So conditional operator is ternary operator, which is represented as question mark and colon. This was my last day's discussion, and on the basis of this, you need to have some programs. So let us come to write a simple computer program that tells the uses of the known operators, particularly like the arithmetic operators you are knowing, and in the category of binary operators, arithmetic operators you are knowing, and the negation operator, the unary operator you are knowing. So on this basis, I want to discuss an example. One more information I want to provide, that for you, I have set the school server to be accessed from your home. You all will have your individual user ID and password, and you will log in into the server by your individual user ID and password, and you can access the resources of the server. NetBeans, particularly, in which you have to work, is installed already. From there you can use. So some extent of configuration is left. So link you are not finding on the school website, but on Monday or Tuesday, like that, I will provide the link on the school website, and you will get the message in your WhatsApp group. Then you can click on the link, you will specify your user ID and password, and you will get the interface to work with, and there NetBeans you can find to work. This will work without any installation in your computer, simply in the browser, like internet you can use. And if you want to install NetBeans, you can download and you can install. One more information is that from 10th onwards, 10th June onwards, your teachers, I think, will also be online for taking the class. As far as my class is concerned, I'm not officially entitled now for taking the classes, but I will continue my lessons as it is, and it will continue to be in the YouTube library. Whether live you will watch or not doesn't mean, but sometimes earlier when you want to refer these videos, you can refer and you can get the idea. So in the way I'm continuing my class, I will continue unofficially. On my personal channel, these classes will be appearing, and if you want to refer, you can refer later on. So link you will get in your school website, and username and password will be provided there in your WhatsApp group, and accordingly you will log into that. So let us continue. Coming to gedit, there is one thing that I think I have not told, but there are some special symbols, like know the use of this slash slash. Let me zoom it a little. Slash slash is a symbol that is used for writing comments. I am writing program, a Java program, to demonstrate arithmetic operations. इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी लिखते हैं. If you want to write a multi-line comment, like here I have written multi-line comment, इसको ऐसे लिखो, single line comment, Java programming. and multi-line comment is written in a different way. This slash asterisk, and at the end you will write asterisk slash. Okay, let me write a new page. In a new page, file, new, A4, okay. White, this is black, background change. सबसे पहले मैं बता रहा हूं कमेंट के बारे में. Comment line in a Java program is a text for programmer's reference. The compiler, the Java compiler, ignores these lines at compilation time. So in comment line, you are free to write anything, because this is not for, these lines are not for compilation. Rather, these lines are written for programmer's reference, so that you can understand the program, or one who is changing the program can understand the description of the program properly, and he can write onwards. There are two ways of giving comments. Pehla, single line comment. This comment line starts with a double slash. स्लैश का मतलब फॉरवर्ड स्लैश. डबल स्लैश, फॉरवर्ड स्लैश, और ये सिंबल like double slash, line of text as comment. और दूसरा जो है मल्टी लाइन कमेंट. Multiple lines are when enclosed within slash asterisk and ये डॉट डॉट भी हटा देते हैं and asterisk slash they become comment. कहने का मतलब ignored by the compiler. Like asterisk slash आप कुछ भी ऐसे ऐसे लिख दो and even line you are writing they are also valid because browser compiler is simply ignoring that asterisk slash. So here in the example you see I have written this double slash written I wrote Java programming. Let me zoom it. Here written Java programming and then next to this I have written a multi-line comment started with यहां पर भी आप चाहे तो एक एंटर की प्रेस कर सकते हैं the comment is started you see slash asterisk is written and then I started writing Java program to demonstrate arithmetic operations and then finally asterisk slash is given to close it. This is what I was thinking to tell. Now let us start writing the program. Class OPR simply I am giving. Curly bracket starting, curly bracket ending. Then finally public static void main. Recall what I told earlier. Main string args starting ending square bracket and then round bracket close. Now this time I'm going to use variables and recall I told earlier that variables are declared before its use. Give me 2 minutes, maybe my camera will get off due to low battery. Give me 1 minute, I can put the charger in that. Just wait. So this is written, and now I'm going to use variables. And for that, if you remember, I told you earlier that variables are declared before its use. And declaration means telling its type and name. So I am going to use both type, since arithmetic operators are done on numerals. So I am going to use both type of variables, the integers and the fractional. So let me write. Integer keyword is int, and descriptive variable name I am writing first number. Semicolon, the line is ended, or first number, second number. They too are integers. Then floating point numbers, not floating point, in fact, the fractional numbers are initially declared as double, though they are floating point numbers. Reason right now you don't ask. In the subsequent sessions, you will come to know. There are so many secrets I am creating to be disclosed later on, but no problem. All these confusions will be removed. Right now, whatever is the aim of discussion, come to this only. Double FR1, comma FR2. Let us take the values assigned. First number equal to, let us say, 490. Second number equal to, let us say, 993. Randomly I am choosing. FR1 equal to 39.677. FR2 equal to let us say 7.5. And take two results also. Take int result 1 and double result 2. These declarations and assignment part is complete. अब हम चाहें तो आपको समझने के लिए मैं यहां पर दे सकता हूं. इसको, इन दोनों को यहां से मैं उठा लूं, and let me keep it here so that I can write the comment properly. Here I am writing the comment. Declaration of, multi-line में ही लिखने दो. Declaration of all variables, asterisk slash. यहां तक डिक्लेरेशन हो गया. एंड ऑफ वर्क. अब यहां से क्या शुरू हो रहा है? assigning inputs. Assigning inputs. Wait. ये थोड़ा लंबा हो गया इसलिए जूम करने में दिक्कत हो रहा है. Keeping it small will make you better understanding this. Zoom. Assigning inputs. 490 ये सारा दे दिया. अब देखो, result 1 equal to first number plus second number. You see here, first number is one operand, first operand, second number is second operand, plus is the arithmetic operator, and you are using the binary operator plus, and the result is set to result 1 variable, which is declared earlier as int using this assignment operator. अब इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन इतना लंबा है. मैथमेटिक्स में इस तरह के एक्सप्रेशंस बहुत आसानी से लिखे जाते हैं, लेकिन अब उसका मीनिंग जब एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं तो इतना डिटेल्स है. अब इस वैल्यू को हम प्रिंट करें. system.out.println, मैंने एक डेमो पहले भी दिया था इसके बारे में, उसको रिकॉल करेंगे तो समझ में आएगा. फिर result 1 simply I am giving सेमीकोलन. स्टेप वाइज चलते हैं. कंट्रोल एस. अब रिकॉल करो इस फाइल का नाम क्या होगा. मैंने बताया था, आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट you are restricted to give the source file name exactly same as the primary class name used in the program. So there is one class OPR. So whatever primary or secondary, whatever you tell, this is the only class. So you are bounded to give the file name as opr.java. So let us save it. Control Shift S, I am saving, writing, and then I am giving opr.java. You may not see it clearly, but you hear I am telling I have written opr.java. And pressing enter key, this has been saved. You see now the color is also different. Next to this, you will get the terminal. Since I have the Linux OS, I have to go in Linux terminal, then going application and terminal. This is here. Let me zoom it again so that you can see clear. Arey zoom ho ja. See, self. Anyway, this was a break. So let me complete it. ls ls dash l OPR dot asterisk I am writing first of all. Then you see this is shown created. OPR.java. Compiling this, Java C OPR.java if I write, pressing enter, then you see some errors are coming. Identifier expected. Somewhere there is assignment error. So let us see where is the problem. Coming to the code once again. First number, second number. And in fact, there the problem is here. I have not given the beginning of curly bracket here and the end of curly bracket here. I considered that I wrote earlier while giving the class, I considered, so this error was coming. Control S, save, and coming to the compiler's environment once again and pressing enter, you see this compilation has been done. And then when you will execute this, Java OPR only, then you see the result is coming. So this was a simple use of operator. Now with some modification, let us see the program once again. Now you can clearly understand that instead of this plus symbol, if you will give minus here, then the result of subtraction will come. If you will give you see multiplication, then result of multiplication will come. If you will give division symbol, the result of division will come, and everything will be there with integers. Mind it. Even suppose the first number, let us see, by division I am showing you. Division symbol I am giving. And pressing enter. You will, and इसको second number divided by first number let me do. Because second number is bigger. This can also be done, but for understanding the result in a better way, I am doing this. Second number divided by first number. Control S, save, and then coming to this, I will compile Java C OPR.java and then execution. You see the result is coming too. Seeing the code, you are finding that 993 is the second number and 490 is the first number. This 993 is not fully divided by 490. There is a fractional result, but the result is coming 2 only. Why? Because this first number is an integer, second number is an integer, first number is an integer, and the variable that is holding the result of division is an integer. So all are integers, fractional numbers will not be considered and it is simply discarded. How this is managed, again, it is a question for the next time. Right now, see the operator. So I told here that these operators, you can change in between first number and second number, you will get the result accordingly. Now understand about one more thing. Suppose I write here the result, या ऐसे लिखो,